So today's work, replacing this guy here with this guy here. So this is damaged, you can see, so it doesn't hold up very well, so I'm going to be replacing it with this guy right here. So first thing first, clean it with some good old petrol. The inside is what is important actually. Just remove all grease and there we go, it's ready. So it's going on in here. I don't have to do away with this whole part, so it looks like I can just unscrew this and then screw this back in there. That will at least make sure I don't spend too much time. For safety reasons, just unplug the negative. Alright, now it's gonna be safer because this guy is tight. Oh, that was tight. Okay. Yep, that was gone. Just everything close by. Don't mind my fingernails. I'm just gonna plug it in there first. Okay. Alright, that's a good tight fix. Okay. And then we're going to use, wait a minute. Let's compare the two. Let me go new. New everything. New everything. Let's put that right there. You never know. You never know. You tighten that up. Okay, make sure the surface. So 1 second. Yeah, so that's tight. Make sure this guy is also tight. I'm gonna use this. That's tight. As tight as a fiddle, I guess. It's super tight. Then we put the negative back. Yeah, tightened it, and now my nail is stuck in there. Oh, bloody hell. Ooh. Ooh. Snowy, can you lend a hand, please? Nail stuck. This is why you need to cut your nails, guys. Phew. Done. Tight, tight, tight. Tight, 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 tight. Alright. Make sure that the car is on, so get your key. Yeah, good. Yay, we did it. Job well done. No parking lights. No parking lights. We've got some nice LEDs here. Let's see how they look. Okay, let's install them. So you can see there is the burnt out bulb, the one we're going to replace with this, hopefully. And I have to squeeze my hand through there. Oof. Okay, so I got it from this side. Now it's just inserting the bulb. Let's see if I can do it one hand. So there's my bulb. Get. There's the socket. Oops. And one hand clicks. Here we go. Okay. So now I'll get it back in there. Tight spot. Very tight spot. So there we go. Somehow you can see it from here. You can see that. Here we go. This is not. Here we go. There we are. And then just squeeze it in there. Alright, there she is. There she is. Now for the other side. Check this other guy out. So check this other guy out. Have to get this out of the way. Just unplug it. Let's see the side. Just gonna place it right there. Pick the new one. Plug it in. Make sure it's well fitting. Plug it. Sorry, I don't think it has a negative positive, so just plug it in there. Alright. And then squeeze your way through there. I'm not sure whether you can see it. It's a tight fix as well. Ooh, okay, something just fell. Something fell, guys. Oh no, nothing fell. Oh, it's just up here. Oh, so it's just up here. There we go. So there it goes. Can you guys see it? Shoo, 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 shoo. So finally it's in there. So let's put on the lights and see. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Yes. The other side. And this is the side. Here we go. Voila. So it's still during the day. Can't see very well, but you know, we'll wait till the evening and test them out. But so far, so good. Stop, Snowy.